Do you know about this unique thing in space? Combo of comet and asteroid. Centaurs are unique in space, a combination of comets and asteroids, but they are very rare, which is why the centaur, named Chiron, between Jupiter and Neptune, is very special to scientists. The universe and its objects are full of wonders for humans. About many objects our scientists can learn a lot from centuries of studies, but some objects are still mysterious. There is one that looks very simple, but is actually very confusing because it is a combination of comets and asteroids. Centaur space is a truly amazing and interesting concept of astronomy. The name Centaur is derived from the centaurs of Greek mythology, which used to be half human and half horse. Similarly, centaurs in astronomy are celestial bodies that combine the properties of both asteroids and comets. Centaurs are found mainly in the outer region of the solar system, especially between the orbits of Jupiter and Neptune. These bodies are unique because the centaurs contain a mixture of ice and rocks. When they approach the Sun, the ice begins to melt and comet-like tails appear on them. Their orbit is unstable and irregular. This is due to the gravitational influence of other planets, which affects their speed and direction. Centaur bodies provide information about the early period of our solar system, as they have remained almost unchanged for millions of years. Some scientists believe that centaurs could either collide with planets in the future or leave them and exit the solar system. Studying centaurs is crucial to understanding the formation and dynamics of the solar system. The mysterious objects of centaur space continue to be the center of attraction for astronomers and people interested in space science. Further discoveries about these will give us a greater understanding of the evolution of the universe. The most famous centaur, Chiron. This is the first centaur discovered, in 1977. Indicates the presence of ice on its surface. Pholas, it is red in color, and is believed to have organic compounds on its surface. Origin of centaur. How the centaurs were born is still a subject of research today. Scientists believe they originated from regions of the outer solar system, such as the Kuiper Belt or the Oort cloud. These areas are full of icy and dusty celestial bodies. When a major gravitational influence, such as the influence of Jupiter or Saturn, pulls these bodies, they move out of their stationary orbits and become centaurs. Centaurs not only share the properties of asteroids and comets, but they also have many rare processes on the surface. Centaurs are of different colors, such as red, blue, and brown. These colors reflect their chemical constituents and the processes that occur on the surface. Centaurs' orbits are very unstable. This is because they rotate between larger planets such as Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. On average, a centaur only lives inside the solar system for 1 to 10 million years. It then either evaporates as it gets closer to the Sun, collides with planets, or is thrown out of the solar system. What might happen in the future? Centaurs can also tell a lot about the history and future of our solar system. Centaurs can sometimes be a potential threat to the Earth. If their orbit turns towards the Earth, they can collide as meteorites. Large quantities of snow have been found at some centaurs. If they collide with planets like Earth, they can carry water and organic material, which could help in the origin of life. Recently, astronomers and scientists have been planning missions to better understand the structure of the centaur. NASA and other space agencies may plan to send spacecraft to Centaur in the future, just as they have done for asteroids and comets. Why are centaurs interesting? These may be evidence of the earliest period of the universe. Their composition may contain ancient ices, dust, and organic compounds, which may be fundamental elements of life. The study of these helps to understand how planets and comets are formed and destroyed. The 2060 Chiron centaur sees comet-like activity. The 5145 Pholas centaur is called the Big Red Centaur because of its excessively red surface. The 10199 Chariklo centaur is the first centaur to have rings, just like Saturn's rings. Centaur space is a subject that combines both science and imagination. Not only is it a means to understand our universe, but it can also be a means of bringing us closer to questions of life in space. These objects, called Centaurs, are very rare, but Chiron, which is between Jupiter and Neptune, is special because of its location. Until now, scientists were not able to study it in depth, but a study through the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, has found a lot of information about it. Scientists can tell a lot about the early history of centaurs and solar systems. Chiron Centaurs, discovered in 1977, is unique in the middle of the solar system, behaving like a comet, consisting of a cloud of gas and dust called a coma. According to Chiron scientists, the centaurs act as time capsules in which information about the formation of the solar system is safely hidden. All the small bodies in the solar system tell us what it was like in time. Obviously, Chiron is not only talking about the centaur, but also about the solar system. With the help of comet James Webb at Chiron, scientists found that CO2 and CO are in ice form on the surface of Chiron, and that there are other gases in its coma, including methane. When they looked at the farthest point from the Sun, Chiron's dual nature makes it very precious to study processes in both comets and asteroids. The effect of the Sun? Through James Webb, researchers were able to detect methane and water ice and chemicals that form on Chiron's surface, and they also found comet-like activity and debris rings. Chiron's atmosphere tells how the Sun's heat affects its surface and parts of its interior. Trans-Neptune objects probably occurred in the region of trans-Neptune objects called trans-Neptune objects, TNO, before they came into orbit today, after which the gravitational forces and other influences of the major planets changed its path, giving them a variety of environments. Centaurs usually live in the region of giant planets for about 1 million years. After that, they are thrown out. They could end their lives as Jupiter's family comets or come back to the TNO region. With the help of James Webb, scientists are able to understand distant objects like Chiron. And Chiron's information is helping to unravel the secrets of the solar system.